Hello everyone, welcome to Sampoorn Media Gyan. I am Dr. Shweta Gaud Sharma. In this video, we will talk about what is event. On daily schedule, we saw so many events going on in our society a part of this pandemic situation. Earlier, we saw some birthday parties, marriages, anniversary celebrations, some corporate events also. So, let's discuss over here the concept of event or meaning of event. Before discussing the meaning, let's discuss the from where the event word derived. In mid 16th century, this word event derived from Latin word eventus from invernal results happen from e variant is acts out of variant means come, so the event's original is sense of outcome or the word result. According to the dictionary, meaning of event is anything that happens as distinguished from anything that exists or an occurrence, especially one of the great importance. Dictionary.com explain event as something that happens or is regarded as happening, an occurrence, especially one of some importance. It also discusses the outcome, issue and result of anything, and this is completely depend on something that occur in certain place during a particular interval of time. Collins English Dictionary define an event is something that happens, especially when it is unusual or important. You can see events to describe all the things that are happening in a particular situation. An event is a planned and organized occasion, for example, a social gathering or a sports match. An event is one of the races or competition that are part of an organized occasion such as a sports meet. Now let's discuss the analysis of dictionary meaning of events. Event can be described as a public assembly for the purpose of celebration, education, marketing or reunion, which explains that events are happening always, suggest that what happened was an unusual scale and memorable for us. Most of us participate in events, but managing the events are the difficult task to achieve its objective. So we can say event can be designed by experience, created into order to achieve a given purpose or objective and goals. Marketing guru Philip Kotler defines event as occurrence designed to communicate particular message to the target audience. That means any event, either it is social or corporate, have particular objective, so the event person or company plan it according to the message conveyed to the target audience through particular event. Suresh Pillai, managing director, explained events as the additional media whereby two-way communication is possible. So through this definition, we find out that event is one more medium to communicate with the target audience. Due to immediate feedback from the audience, that's why Suresh Pillai say it is a two-way communication. Deepak Ghatni, director, described events as something noteworthy which happens according to the set plan involving networking of multimedia package, thereby achieving the client's objectives and justifying their needs for associating with events. Deepak Ghatni focus on first thing, that is detailed planning with the help of PPT, video, posters and other audio video material, which is known as multimedia package. Secondly, Deepak Ghatni focus on the objective of the event. So here we have the comprehensive new definition. This definition include all the important points, highlights given in the different definition. An event is a live multimedia package carried out with a pre-conceived concept customized or modified to achieve the client's objectives of reaching out and suitably influencing the sharply defined, specially gathered target audience by providing a complete sensual experience and a venue for two-way interaction. Here, the pre-convinced means planning, and like a pizza, we easily customize or known events according to the target audience gathering client's requirement. Through this diagram, we easily understand the event concept. It is evident from the model that an event is a package so organized as to provide reach and live interaction between the target audience and the client to achieve the desired impact. The population of the target audience that the event is exposed to is called the reach for the event. The live interaction process facilitates communication between the clients and the audience. This process strengthens the possibility of mutual beneficial communication occurring in the tune with the desired objective of the event. Event have therefore also been termed as experimental market also. So at the end, we can easily understand or say this, that event is something unusual happens, special and important for a particular person or company. It is having some objective. It can be organized within the particular time span. So here we end with the topic event. So in this video we discuss about what is event. In my next video we will discuss on another topic related to event. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel Sampoorn Media Gyan. Thank you.